So, problem number one, or exercise problem number one. And this is quite a nice one. It's fairly simple. I've drawn it quite inaccurately, like the triangle should be bowed a bit more inwards, but we'll still work out. Okay, so we're given three unknowns. We have x, y, and z, and we need to find for it, and they've nicely given us two angles in one triangle. Okay, so there's a number of ways we can go about doing this. I always like solving everything, and we will in this case. Okay, so the first thing we can do in solving this problem is noticing that we can apply theorem 3 in two places over here. And what I often like doing, and this might help you as well, but I'm just going to draw in at this point. I'm going to draw in a line segment over here. And I can also draw in a line segment at the top here. I'm just going to make it dashed so we don't get confused. Okay, so we now have a line segment, and that means that angle A is subtended by this line segment. Angle D is subtended by this line segment as well. And from the other side, we have angle C, if you can look, subtended by the line segment between A and D. And we have angle B being subtended by the same as well. What does that mean for us? Well, we can now already just purely from looking at our image, we can say that angle A equals angle D, and furthermore, so that's the first one, and angle C over here, note that angle C is equal to Y, so I'm going to say angle Y equals, sorry, I should have, instead of putting angle A, I should put angle A is equal to X, the angle X, and this is angle Z. Okay, so these are similar, and the reason we give for both of these are angles in the same segment. Okay, and that was theorem 3 that we have over here. Great. Okay, the next thing we can see is a nice thing. Well, we can already solve for what y is, and that's because we've been given two angles in the same triangle. So, straight on from this, we have angle y is going to equal to, we have the angle sum of triangle, 180 degrees minus 55 minus 45. Okay, because we've given two angles already. And we have to kind of spell it out for the examiners like this because your teachers won't allow you to just make an assumption. I know you may be able to do the maths in your head very quickly, but okay, so we have 55 minus 45 over here. This is 100 degrees, so we left with this being 80 degrees. And that's really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to say angle sum triangle, which we have, and this is triangle A, this is point E, AEC. Okay, so what pops out right from that, we now know angle Z, so therefore, a little therefore dots, we now have angle Z equals 80 degrees. Great. So now we know that Y equals 80, Z equals 80. Okay, and you could technically work out what it is from here because we have vertically opposite angles, but we can just see, let's apply our theorem number 3 again. So we know that there's going to be a relationship, and it's actually angle X and 55 are going to be equal. So the last little thing I'll write over here is that angle X equals 55 degrees, and this once again, angles in same seg. So that's angles in the same segment. And there we have it. We've solved for Z, we've solved for Y, and we've solved for X. Great. Perfect. That was quite easy.